Hello, I'm going to teach you how to use a rub and buff today. It's a great metallic wax finish which you can use for enhancing your hardware and changing colors on them. They have a variety of colors. I'm going to use antique gold today, and the ways you can apply this is either with a brush, with a sponge, or with your fingers. It's generally recommended to do that with gloves because you might have allergic reactions to it. In any case, you can clean everything off, including your fingers, with mineral spirits afterwards. Make sure that your hardware is clean and oil-free, and potentially very lightly scuff sanded beforehand with a fine grit for it to stick properly. Anyway, let's get right to it. I'll try it first with a brush and see if I can avoid using my hands. You really only need a small amount, like that. And then you just rub it on. So as you can see, you don't need a whole lot for it. So here you can see the before and after. As I said, this is antique gold, which has a slight reddish tint. So you'll just have to, they have a variety of different colors. You just have to find the right shade that works for you and your project. And there you go, that's it.